Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and change that's coming to Firefox. If you are a Firefox user, maybe you're using some extensions. One of the things that happens with extensions is although some extensions are wonderful, you could end up with some extensions that actually aren't that great because they might be spying on you, they might be, um, you know, you don't know what actually they're scooping up and what they are doing when you download some of these extensions. They're not all very clear in what they do. So Firefox or Mozilla has decided that what they will be doing is that starting November the 3rd, if you have a new extension, all the new extensions that come to the Firefox store will all have to disclose what they do, how much data they scoop from the user. And this will be extended to every extension, even those that exist already, those that you already have. They will have to disclose something like this every time that you add an extension. It will say, well, what does it do? What will the extension do with your personal data? Do you scoop up personal data and send it to someone, and so on? Do you use it for advertising purpose? All of it will have to be disclosed starting mid 2026. So I think this is a good idea. Actually, every browser should be doing it. I think extensions need to be watched more. There's so many times when we see security hazard with extensions or privacy concerns with some extensions. Like I said, there are some great extensions out there, but there are some that are just down terrible in how they handle your privacy. So November 3rd for new extensions and mid 2026, all extensions will be required to disclose the data that they scoop in Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.